4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 bag of marshmallows. Keep stirring that until we are all nice and melted together. Oh, that smells so good. Look at that. Oh, it's so creamy. I love that marshmallow and butter like that. One of my favorites. Okay, so 'tis the holiday. We have some Lucky Charms here, you guys, and we are gonna add those right in with that creamy marshmallow. And seriously, one of my favorite things about the Lucky Charms is I love the colorful rainbow little marshmallows in here. I feel like they look so nice. But yes, perfect in time for St. Patrick's Day. We're gonna do an easy, no bake treat here using some Lucky Charms. We've got some marshmallow. So we'll stir that all up and coat all of that cereal. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay, that looks good. Let's dump this in here. Oh, those look nice and gooey. Look at all of that gooey marshmallow. You know what? I want to make these this time around really nice and fluffy, and I think that we are going to hit the jackpot with that. We'll just spread that out. Now, just something to note, I did butter the bottom of this baking dish before I'm starting to spread out this marshmallow on here. Do you use parchment paper? Do you use butter? What are your best results? Sometimes I switch it up. This time around, I did just butter the pan. And another thing is normally I would press these down, but this time I do want to keep them nice and fluffy because I'm just in the mood for that. Now I've got some M&Ms here, peanut M&Ms here, and I thought they looked really pretty with the marshmallow colors, so we're just gonna lay them all over here. Oh, that looks so good. And we're gonna have a little peanut crunch in the middle. I cannot wait. You guys, look at how simple this was. I'm gonna let this sit and stick around because I wanna pull it apart so you can see how yummy and gooey and tasty it is. And yeah, I think you're gonna love this one. All right, we are ready for our marshmallow treat. It looks so good. It looks nice and fluffy, you guys, and it looks moist, not dry at all. I love the addition of these peanut M&Ms. Perfect. And of course, like, you can always switch it up. What would you put on top of your treat? Look at that. I'm lifting that right out. And look at that marshmallow. That's exactly the way that I wanted it. When you make your crispy treats, look at that marshmallow. Ah! Yes, that's what I'm talking about right here. I am for it right here, yes. All right, I'm taking a big bite here. You guys, simple and so good. The possibilities with this are endless. You could use any type of cereal. You could use any type of topping. Tell me your favorite one in the comments. I want to hear all about it. All right, you guys. See you later. Yum.